know, the suit, we had a spare in the back, a yellow one. Someone used it. Now none of them are acting right. Listen, just finish your shift. It's safer than trying to leave in the middle of the night. We have one more event scheduled for tomorrow, a birthday. You'll be on day shift. Wear your uniform. Stay close to the animatronics. Make sure they don't hurt anyone, okay? For now, just make it through the night. When the place eventually opens again, I'll probably take the night shift myself. Okay, good night, and good luck.
Wow.
Hello?
Wow. Foxy. Minigun. What the? Marionette, come back. Come back here, Marionette. Marionette. Oh, come back, come back. You put me in the suit, so come back. I really want to meet you. Please. Am I startling you? No, no, no. No, please, please. Come on, Ricky, sucker. Oh, give me his blood trail. Is your cow stable? Is it true? It's the crap. Do I have to go in the stinky box? For I don't know what. The crap is this? Wow. So, yeah. You guys are hearing from Captain 101. See you next time.